Today, the Supreme Court upholding Tennessee's ban on transgender medical procedures for kids. In the 6-3 decision, the court ruled the state's law does not violate the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause. Tennessee is one of 24 states with laws that ban transgender procedures for kids, including puberty blockers and hormone treatments. And we're seeing reaction to the ruling across the country and here in our hometowns, many celebrating the decision as a victory for protecting kids from what they say are dangerous and irreversible procedures.
But Harrison Belsanti spoke to people who are worried about what the ruling could mean for families in the QCA and joins us in studio now. Harrison.
Yeah, guys, advocates say this is a blow to transgender rights, and it could protect similar laws in more than 24 other states. Unless lawmakers reverse course, it's likely here to stay.
Iowa's matching ban took effect in spring 2023. Wednesday morning's decision makes a state-level court challenge a long shot, leaving families with few options. Drake University law professor Sally Frank says that's by design.
They went through contortions to try to argue that this was not about an issue of transgender. It was purely a medical classification and an age classification.
She says many parents now plan to cross the river to Illinois or even move to keep care going. Pastor Rich Hendricks, who leads the LGBTQ affirming Metropolitan Community Church in Davenport, says the ruling overlooks the lives at stake.
To that person, to those persons, it's everything. It's their life.
Hendricks says his church is working to stay a safe haven and is pointing worried families across the river to Illinois. LGBTQ advocates add that pressing Iowa lawmakers next session is now the only realistic path to change the ban.
I can't imagine what it must be like growing up now as an LGBTQ person. It's got to be really hard.
Now, Chief Justice John Roberts says the law treats all minors alike, so there's no equal protection problem. Justice Sonia Sotomayor counters that the court is abandoning transgender youth. John, Jenna, back to you guys.
Harrison, thank you. The court says doctors may still use hormone-based treatments for other illnesses, just not for gender dysphoria.